The Impact Recovery SlowStop system is a uniquely designed protective guarding system that absorbs energy and deflects upon impact, reducing damage to people, products, and facilities. This video will go through the essential steps of installing a SlowStop Bollard post. Although there are 4 different sizes of SlowStop Bollards, proper installation is similar for all 4 products. Before getting started, we identify the various Bollard components and tools that will be needed for proper installation. Starting from the top is the Bollard post, or pipe. A metal cap may be pre-installed in the pipe, or a plastic cap may be provided, depending on the model. Next is the adapter, which serves to hold the pipe. Over the adapter is the base, which is a collar that holds the system to the foundation. Finally, under the adapter and base will be an elastomer, a natural rubber molding which serves to dampen impacts and absorb energy. Hardware necessary includes concrete anchor screws, or simply anchors to attach to the concrete, and steel set screws for holding the pipe in place in the adapter. Tools required include a heavy-duty hammer drill with a 5/8" concrete drill bit, an impact wrench with 15/16" impact socket, and a 6mm or 8mm Allen bit. A torque wrench is ideal for checking proper torque of all fasteners. Concrete dust should be removed, ideally with a vacuum system or compressed air nozzle. Preparation for installation includes understanding local rules and site conditions, reviewing installation drawings and written instructions, and ensuring a safe job site, including equipping proper personal protection equipment. Once the proper location for installation has been determined, mark the final location of the bollard using the base component as a guide. Mark the drill points in the center of anchor holes of the base plate. Marks can be made with a marker or by drilling shallow pilot holes. Best practice is for there to be 2 anchors facing the most likely direction of impact on the bollard and keeping the anchor holes at least 6 inches from any concrete edge. Remove the base component and drill the 5/8" anchor holes. It's important to keep the drill holes perfectly vertical. The hole should be 6 inches deep and clear of concrete dust from the bottom. For facilities with heavy concrete reinforcement, a rebar drilling bit may be helpful if rebar is encountered during the drilling. 3" and 4" models require 4 anchors, 5" models require 6, and 6" models require 8 anchor holes. Once drilling is complete and the area has been cleaned off of concrete dust, place the elastomer in the center of the anchor hole pattern and place the adapter on top of the elastomer. Best practice is for the set screw holes in the adapter to be facing the most likely direction of impact. Next, place the base over the adapter and elastomer. Be careful to keep the elastomer and adapter centered. It's possible to pinch the flange on the elastomer, so take care to center the assembly. Wear thick gloves and be mindful of pinching points when lowering the base. Be sure there's no debris, such as concrete spalling, under the base that would keep it from being tightened flush to the concrete. Now insert and hand start an anchor in each anchor hole. Now is a good time to be sure that all anchor holes align with the base. Tighten the concrete screw anchors using an impact wrench. Once all anchors are tightened, retighten all anchors to ensure they're completely flush and check torque with a torque wrench. All anchors must be tightened to 85 foot-pounds and the head of the anchor completely flush to the base flange. For the 5" model, use a star pattern to tighten the anchors. For the 6" model, tighten the corner anchors first in an X-shaped pattern. Now insert the bollard post into the adapter, ensuring that it completely seats to the bottom of the adapter coupling. Tighten all set screws to 50 foot-pounds. You should feel the set screws slightly dig into the metal of the bollard pipe. Some models have more set screws than others, but all threaded holes should have a set screw firmly tightened. If the model you're installing was not equipped with a metal cap already installed, a plastic cap was provided. Gently tap the cap into the top of the bollard pipe using a rubber mallet. This completes installation of the bollard pipe. Properly clean the entire unit and surrounding area of any concrete dust created during the installation process, and the unit will be ready to protect the area for years to come. If for any reason you have any concerns with the installation process, don't hesitate to contact Impact Recovery Systems at impactrecovery.com.